Hello and welcome to the first episode of my Metroidvania course demo series. In this series, I will demo the different mechanics and features which are included in the course. Let's get started. The first feature is parallax scrolling backgrounds, where you take multiple backgrounds and scroll them at different speeds. The closer to the camera, the faster the background is going to scroll, and the further back, it's going to be scrolling slower. The next feature is how to do auto tiling with tileset merging. And this is a feature that is only available in Godot 3.x, because in Godot 4, the guy who made the new tile editor messed up a bit in my opinion and did not include the feature to merge between tilesets. As you can see here, this is where we're drawing with different tilesets and they merge perfectly fine together. Alright, this was all for episode 1. Tomorrow we will continue in episode number 2. See you there.